Not only do I dog sit, I also take care of others. This is Chevelle, and this is Richie, and upcoming is Little Man, the one that I helped my friend with, get him out of the pound and such. He's at home, he's doing well, he's happy, she's happy, and that is so, so important. And he is such a total sweetheart. And bird sitting this morning, this weekend. Oh, thank you, Nikki. Thank you so much. You won't talk on camera, but you'll do that. Loverly. You silly bird. Silly bird. Silly bird. Oh, well, he's exercising his wings. Aww. Fly, Nikki, fly. Boy, you'd be surprised if he did take off. He doesn't know he can fly.